Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Miguel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get any skill you might need for Claude Cowork or Claude Code. Let me break it down for you. So for this demo, I am going to actually be using Claude Code just to let you know you can actually just use Cowork as well. What we're going to do is we're going to take the example of design skills. So we're going to actually ask Claude Code to go into GitHub in order to find all of the latest repos that actually contain skills that might be useful for us. Now, GitHub, you can pretty much just think of as a huge Google Drive that contains a lot of information. And the thing is that most of the skills are actually created by developers. So that's where you find all of the good stuff. You don't have to be a developer in order to do this. You only have to understand that GitHub is pretty much a place where a lot of crazy skills live. So I'm going to take the example of design. Hey Claude, can you please go onto GitHub and find, let's say, 5 repos that contain Claude Code skills or Claude Cowork skills for design that are extremely well rated that I can install locally? Thanks. So we're going to send off Claude. What he's going to do is he's actually going to do all of the heavy lifting for us. He's going to go ahead one at a time and he's going to try and find all of that nice information that we might need. He is also going to be able to find and install all of the skills for us. So I'm going to come back to you whenever he actually finishes this. So as you can see, Claude Code actually went into GitHub and he found the repositories, meaning pretty much the Google Drives that contain all of the skills that we might need. Stars are pretty much the same as simply liking. So as you can see, there is one that contains 250,000 stars. And this is one of the most well-known repos for Claude Code, which is Claude Code Superpowers. You also have the official Anthropic skills right up in here, but you have a lot of them that you can actually just find. This, you actually just get 5 of them, but you can go ahead and you can ask Claude Code to really dig deep using a dynamic workflow. And that will get you all of the skills that you might need for any use case: marketing, design, sales, or just general productivity. So literally, it's as easy as that. Just ask Claude Code to help you find the skills that you need using precisely GitHub. And if you need a lot of them, ask it to just use a dynamic workflow. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you find the skill that you actually need. All right, I'll see you in the next one. See you.